Hello, this is a very quick tutorial on how to access Noodle Tools through your Google account. So the first thing that you'll do is make sure that you're logged into your Google account and then look for the little waffle at the top. Select that, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll notice the Noodle Tools button. Select the Noodle Tools button. The next screen will be your account setup. It is usually defaulted to the I am a student button, so you could select that if you're a student. Of course, if you're a teacher, select the next one down, I am a teacher, and create account. And the next screen will be for you to select your year of graduation if you are a student. So just hit the drop down, select the correct year, and click the Save Profile button, and you are all set up.